Little bird Luma flies happily with her family over green hills under a bright sky with soft music creating a warm and safe feeling. Then the family starts flying toward Paradise Valley as the sky slowly turns cloudy. The wind begins and Luma struggles to keep up. Suddenly, a strong storm comes with loud wind and rain, and Luma is pushed far away from her family. After the storm ends, she finds herself alone in a quiet forest with mountains, feeling tired, scared, and lost. Later, she gathers courage and starts flying again. Through the night, an old owl shows her the stars, and a river guides her forward, giving her hope. Finally, she reaches Paradise Valley with golden trees, where Luma sings her family song. Her family hears her and reunites with her in a warm hug, showing that love and courage always lead you home.